broths are making a comeback, but for us at home, it has always been a staple week on week because that's something that the family really enjoys. Now, with the zillion recipes available online, how do you crack the code and create the perfect bone broth? Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we take mutton bones and create magic with it. The purpose of a bone broth is to extract maximum nourishment out of the bones. And how do you do that? You take a kg of mutton bones, wash them well, put them in a stockpot with 3 liters of water, bring them to a boil, skim it, and then simmer it for a good 1 hour. That's the emulsion out here. Now let's get to creating the second structure that brings it to the next level. It's all about flavor enhancing and spicing it up. So into a nice large stock pot, you take nearly 20 to 25 mils of cold pressed sunflower oil. As it sizzles away, into that you put some ginger. So nearly 1.5 inches of ginger along with 8 cloves of garlic. We like spice in our bone broth, so 2 green chilies finely minced up go in as well. As you just allow this to saute and infuse, it's time to just take some onions and put that right in. So 2 red onions, finely chopped up, go in as well. As the onions get soft and translucent, now is the time to nourish it even further with 4 lovely carrots cut into the finest of brunoise, along with about 100 grams of haricot beans going in as well. High flavor coming through perfectly well, and what a nourishing meal this turns out to be. This is one of my oldest gadgets, a spice brace, because nobody likes spices coming in their mouth. So into this goes 1 star anise, about a teaspoonful of black peppercorns, a stick of cinnamon, just put it in, about 4 green cardamoms and 6 cloves going in. And we're just going to seal this up and keep it on the side, ready to go and infuse into that broth. Into this mirepoix of vegetable goes in about 100 grams of green peas. Just give it a quick saute, and now it's time to take that base stock and pour it right in. 3 liters of water has reduced to 2 liters of flavorful stock. We're just going to pour that in and allow it to simmer for nearly 20 to 25 minutes, but not forgetting throwing that spice bracket in or spice rack in and just allow it to nestle inside. The spice brace extracts most of the flavor without that spice coming right in. You want to season this, and you season it with some smoked chipotle sea salt just to enhance the flavor overall. "25 to 30 minutes is all that's required to extract all the flavor out of this spice brace without turning too bitter. The essential oils are just about released and done. Remove this, keep it on a side, switch off the flame, and it's now time to infuse this with a whole lot of herbs. So out here I've got some cilantro, nearly about 4 tablespoons of it, along with going off the beaten track with some mint, so about 3 tablespoons of mint as well. A quick stir, and my decadent bone broth is ready to be indulged in. Now all this soup requires is a fancy soup tureen, and garnishing this soup is really very simple. All you need is some mutton cubes to indulge right in. I hope you enjoyed creating this fancy bone broth with me, but really it is just so simple. You can elevate it by just taking some lemon rind and sprinkling on top. Though I've been told I use that way too often. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe. More importantly, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.